Hey y'all, just a quick video here. Here's what we did today. We popped the holes in the tank. 2 more down in the bottom. Check valve here, one way from this tank to this tank. It can't come back. Found a couple of brass plugs in our parts bin over there. Let me know if I should put some kind of Teflon tape on those, or if, the pipe taper is enough. I don't know. They're pretty tight, but I don't know if Teflon tape, I've never used it on gas line fittings before in an aluminum tank. So just give me a heads up. Let me know if the Teflon tape is usable with fuel and oil. I got vents here, rollover vent. You can hear the rollover vent in there. Fluid won't come out. It'll vent atmosphere all day long. This is our return. I decided to put the return line on rather than have to do it on a racetrack if we had a problem. Better to have it and not need it or to use it or whatever, right? So there it is. And then here's our CIK pickup. You look inside, you can see the fuel. It's got a weight on it down in there. That's a standard CIK deal. The inside piece has got an O-ring. We got a copper washer with a lock nut. It's good and tight, won't leak. And we'll pick up fuel from this tank and suck it right out of that little area down in the bottom of that little reservoir. So nice little package. Tomorrow we'll countersink the mounts here. The front, the center, and the rear, and we have bevel-headed aluminum or flathead Allen bolts. So we'll try to get the tanks down as low as we can. Maybe adjust these spacers just a little bit to move the tanks down as far as we can without contacting the chassis on the inside there. Just to make sure we've got enough room for the vent underneath the side panel and get it down as low as we can for center of gravity. But that's about it, and then last thing we'll do is doctor up and mock up those, bolt down the spacers, make the false pins, get all that stuff drilled and washered and all that stuff, and get it done. So that's it. Just playing around a little bit. I did get a little poke from some safety wire on the hand there. You see that? Didn't bleed for all that long. It wasn't that bad. It was a tiny little spot, but it did bleed a little bit. So there you go. Today's Monday. Thursday we see the doctor on the 9th to find out the doom and gloom of what's going to happen, if we'll ever be able to get back in a go-kart again. But you know what, I'll tell you, when the wife's not around, we'll let you know. I'm going to get in that go-kart. If I have to take myself off the meds for a couple of days and turn some laps, what? Shh, as my nephew would say, shh, don't tell Sherry. That's it. Don't tell her. Don't let her know. God bless you. I'll see you at the racetrack.